Do you know what this is? No. It is not a candle. In your hands is a piece of history. Try My Chow's signature Himalayan tequila shot glasses are made from ancient, raw, 100% all-natural salt rock that took 600 million years to form. The pink salt comes from remnants of ancient seabeds that crystallized 600 million years ago. Legend has it, it was actually Alexander the Great's horse that first discovered the salt rocks when it stopped to lick them. Thanks to its pink hue and supposed health benefits, this salt has exploded in popularity since the late 2000s. It's turned into lamps, statues, salt, and of course, try My Chow's signature tequila shot glasses. These rocks were carved from the finest quality salt mines in Pakistan and brought to the USA. Simply pour your favorite tequila into the salt glass and serve with lime wedges. Our ancient salt shot glass will immediately make contact with your drink. Enjoy it within 3 to 5 seconds for best results. We don't use any man-made plastic materials in between your drink and the salt, so you can enjoy the full 600 million year experience of the raw Himalayan salt taste. Since our salt shot glass is antibacterial, 100% natural and organic, it is simple to clean. Just rinse it with water and wipe it dry between uses. Our box design was inspired by jingle trucks dating back to the 1920s, when long-distance Bedford trucks got pimped out with outrageously festive paint jobs before hitting the road. Enjoy your piece of history.
I need a drink ASAP.
¿Quieres margarita?
I need a drink ASAP.
Una margarita.
I need a drink ASAP. La tequila, ponga la tequila.